Everyone, in today's video we will see how to reset a Rheem air conditioner AC reset button location and troubleshooting guide. Method 1, use the physical reset button. So turn off the system. You can set your indoor thermostat to a off position. Now locate the buttons. You can go to the outdoor condenser unit and look near the bottom where the copper refrigerant lines enter the machine. Next one, identify the switch. Look for a small red button, sometimes protected by a black cap, or locate near the electrical contactor box. Now press and hold. So push and hold the red button down firmly for 3 to 5 seconds, then release it. Now restart the AC. So return indoors, turn your thermostat back to cool and lower the temperature settings. Method 2, reset via the circuit breaker. So shut off the thermostat. You can switch the thermostat completely off. Disconnect the local power. Find the metal electrical disconnect box mounted on the wall near your outdoor unit and pull out the breaker plug. Or flip the switch to off. Next, flip the main breaker. So go to your home main electrical breaker panel, locate the switch label AC or HVAC and flip it to the off position and wait for out. Keep the power off for 20 to 30 minutes to clear out error code on the internal control board. And the last one, restore power. Flip the main circuit breaker back on, plug the outdoor disconnect back in and turn your thermostat back to cool. Goodbye and thanks for watching.